Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change oil on a Nissan Rogue Sport. First, gather your essential tools, including a wrench, an oil filter wrench, and a drain pan. Make sure you have the correct type and amount of new engine oil, typically around 4 3/8 quarts. Park your vehicle on a level surface, engage the parking brake, and let the engine cool for about 15 minutes. Next, it's time to drain the old oil. Carefully locate the oil drain plug, usually found at the bottom of the oil pan. Position your drain pan directly beneath the plug to catch the used oil. Using your wrench, slowly loosen and remove the drain plug. Allow all the old engine oil to completely drain out, which typically takes about 10 to 15 minutes. Now, let's replace the filter and plug. Use an oil filter wrench to remove the old filter. Before installing the new one, apply a thin layer of fresh oil to its rubber gasket. Hand tighten the new filter until it's snug, then give it an additional 1/4 turn. Finally, reinstall the drain plug, tightening it securely, but being careful not to over-tighten it. With the filter and plug secure, it's time to add the new oil. Locate the oil fill cap on top of your engine. Carefully pour in the recommended amount of new engine oil, which for many models is around 4 3/8 quarts. Check the oil level using the dipstick, adding more if necessary. Start the engine briefly, then recheck for any leaks and confirm the oil level.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.